Hello, I'm John Lorenz, Principal Analyst with Yole Group. Today I will share a few of the features of our quarterly processor monitor. This is a research product that tracks the processor market in terms of revenue, units, price, and wafers. Our main focus here is application processors, CPUs, GPUs, and FPGAs. Just to say a few words about our strong computing team at Yole Group. On our team, we have experts in SoC architecture, foundry process integration, AI, and machine learning software, and leading-edge process technology with a combined industry experience of almost 80 years. Our team is responsible not just for the processor monitor, but many other research projects as well, including reports covering various computing and AI topics, detailed teardown and costing analysis of cutting-edge processors, and the quarterly microcontroller monitor. Now to introduce a few of the topics of the monitor. Naturally, we are quite focused on the market presence of semiconductor heavyweights like Intel, AMD, and NVIDIA. Here you can see the historical trend in their consolidated revenues for these three companies. AMD, to an extent, but especially NVIDIA, have really grown with the trend of AI acceleration hardware in data center. This is the technology behind developing and training the vastly growing field of large language models behind generative AI. If we look back just to the year 2022, Intel took more than half of the data center computing revenue, mainly as the key supplier of server CPUs. In the first 6 months of 2024, you can see NVIDIA has taken about 80% of the total data center computing revenue, with generative AI hardware being the main factor. If we zoom in just on the GPU market, we can see that server-based GPUs have really taken over the portion of total GPU revenues, and we expect this to persist as newer large language models continue to grow in size and number, requiring more and more computing power to manage both the training and inference functions. Another area of interest to us is the evolution of CPU technologies in servers. Even though server-based GPUs are a booming market, a server does not run on GPUs alone. Every server has at its core at least one CPU, in some cases 2, 4, or 8, with x86 being the predominant architecture for the industry. However, we are seeing a rise in alternatives to Intel and AMD, who are the main x86 suppliers, namely in ARM-based processors like those from Ampere Computing, NVIDIA Grace, or AWS Graviton. How this and other computing markets evolve is a constant question, and why we publish our analysis each quarter. Overall, the processor market is key to understanding the technical trends of our complex world. If you would like to learn more, we urge you to reach our sales contacts shown here on this slide.